Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook meetings doesn't work. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. And so the first, we need to go and open Outlook app here. Just wait a few seconds till it's opening. And so here, if we go to click on new items, and here we can click on meeting. So if that works, no worries about it. If not, you can just close the app and restart using the app once again. So this is one of the methods. The second method, we click on file over here, and then we choose options. In here, as you can see, we have add-ins. We click on it. And from here, just make sure that Microsoft Teams meeting add-in is in the active applications add-ins. And if it's here in inactive application add-ins, just go here for manage and click on come add-ins and click on go, and make sure to check this in. If it's not checked, which is Microsoft Teams meeting add-ins, just check this one here and click on OK, and then you need to restart Outlook, and then the problem will be solved. Also, if all of this is not useful, you can go to file once again and then choose options. In here, go for add-ins, and then for manage, just change it to disable items and click on go. And here you must see Outlook meetings add-in. Just click on it and then choose enable. Once you see meetings here in this box, just click on it and click on enable, and then once you do that, just click on OK and restart your Outlook, and that's how you can solve the problem. So at the end of the video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also thanks for watching.